Hello and welcome to our beginner friendly tutorial for ThriveCart. Now to use ThriveCart, first go to the ThriveCart's website from the link in the description. Sign in and in the home page click on products. Now click on create a new product. Choose whether your product is physical or digital and create the product. Now fill in your product name, your label, your product status and the checkout page URL and click on next. Now set up a product price. Select your payment type, your price and trial period. Click on next. You can check the calculate sales tax automatically box and you also have the option to customize your invoice. You also have the option to set up a bumper offer on your product. Now choose your payment processors. Click on setup processors. Now select your payment processor. Click on save and click on next. You can also set up an affiliate program for your product. Click on set up commissions to do so. If not, click on next. Now fill in your support email and other details and click on next. Now fill in your contact information and payment information and your order is complete. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again soon.